Hello, I am going to talk about my city, and if you want to visit my city, what advices I give I can give to you. For example, here in my city, Santo Domingo de los Colorados, this is located in the center of the country, Ecuador, and one tourist place is the Young People and Family Park. Over there you can see different kinds of machines to do exercise, so you should visit that place. Another place you could visit is some rivers, because here there's not, or it's not so cold like in the Sierra region, so it's beautiful visit some rivers. You could visit too some swimming pools. Micuchito swimming pool have a big swimming pool where there is artificial waves. This is simulating the waves that you see in the ocean or on the sea. Another place you should visit is Viña Restaurant. This is so beautiful. If you want to have a special meat, you can visit there. And another advice, or as last advice, I can say that here there are some places that are not secure, or there are a lot of crime and violence, robbery, so you should be very careful, especially at night. That's all. So I hope you visit this city soon.